Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Nerd Chic. Today, I want to show you a few different apps that are really helpful for you if you're taking care of kids at your house, homeschooling, or even if right now your kids are at home from school because of what we're all going through in this season. The first app I want to show you is ABC Mouse. I love this app because it's just such a good learning program. We will do a deep dive on this another time, but you can really learn from anywhere. There's thousands of activities. This one's for kids that are, younger, all the way up to like age 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, somewhere around in there. And you can try it for 30 days. And you can sign up for your first month for free. Subscription is $9.99 per month, and we love it. So go try it out. At least you'll have a month of action for family members. Again, we'll take a deep dive in this, and I'll show you what ABC Mouse is like another day, but it's a great resource. In the same family for older kids is Adventure Academy. My kids use both of these. They're really incredible. And this is for kids that are 8 through 13, and so even some above. And again, ABC Mouse, your kids could be 8 or 9 and still be in there at 10. But this, again, another first month free. Put your stuff in here, and then you can see it's just got language arts, math, science, social studies, a lot of activities, a lot of fun and games. It's available on iOS devices and Android, and you can see you can do it on the desktop too. It's very kid safe. I love this. It's really, really great stuff. Another app I love is YouTube Kids. So I'm not going to show you that one here, but YouTube Kids, not YouTube, but YouTube for Kids is a good one. Another one's PBS Kids, which is right here, and you can get your free account by just signing up for your area. So we've got Charlotte here, and your kids can watch PBS. You sign up for an account, and you get access to all the shows, and they watch on their time. This is also available on Roku and other devices like that, Amazon Fire TV, and it's great. That's another great resource for kids. Sesame Street is an app, another good resource. You can get a lot of the shows itself from the PBS Kids, but this is just a cool one because it's like apps and games and videos and all that kind of stuff. Love some Sesame Street on here. Another one's Kahoot. This is like a social gaming situation, so there's like pop quizzes and stuff. If you need to do quizzes for your kids, it's a social aspect, and we can do a deep dive on it another day, but that's Kahoot. It's another great app. If you're teaching your kids math, look at this, Photo Math. You can actually take and scan a math problem and get instant results. This one I highly recommend. Look at this. It gives you solutions, and it'll break it down into steps so you can do step-by-step instruction. It's incredible. Again, I'll do a deep dive on this later, but this is another great app that you can try out. Look at that. You can do it in for a calculator or whatever. So it's so easy to use. Scan it. You scan the kid's problem, and then the app does the work for you, and it can take you through step-by-step solutions to help you teach your kids. That's a huge help for parents home with math problems or whatever. Another great opportunity right now is I'll show you right here on stories.audible.com. You can watch or you can have your kids listen to books for free on Audible. So just click stories.audible.com, and then there's tons of books here. They listen for free. You've got Audible for free right now for kids. And maybe you're an adult and you want to dig into some of these. These are available, and our kids can listen unlimited as long as this season's going on. And so it's got literary classics. If you want to catch up on the classics yourself, if you want your kids to get into whatever age group, tween, teen, see this? Isn't that great? Stories.audible.com. It's free. And you saw there too, it says top little listeners. So if you got youngins or elementary, you guys, awesome. Another awesome resource, a lot like those, you can use your library card and get books anytime for free from your library. They're Audible or digital. You can read them on a tablet or device, or you can get the audio version for free on your library card, guys. What an amazing resource. And that's unlimited downloads every month. And one that has limited downloads, that's Libby. Here's Hoopla. Hoopla's another great one. Look at this. You can get now this is limited, so you can only get a limited amount, but you can go through, you can search books and audio. This has videos that you can get. It has music you can get. It has Audible books you can get, or even books you read. So it's either audio or text-based. That's Hoopla. Hoopla is a great app. All of these are great apps. They're great resources for your kids. Again, you've got learning apps that can really teach your kids like over time, like Adventure Academy and ABC Mouse. I mean, seriously, that's awesome. You've got, other options like PBS Kids and Sesame Street to just TV. You've got Kahoot if you want them to do testing with their friends through the internet and quiz each other on stuff. If you need help with math, boom, there you go. You got Photo Math. All of these are great resources, guys. You've got plenty. Math, sciences, learning, all of that there. Hopefully this has helped. Now, if you've got any more requests on things that you would like to see on Nerd Chic, put it in the comments. Give us a thumbs up here and be sure to subscribe to our channel. There's so much more coming as we keep facing this time together.